then justice, so he was called Matthias the Rightful.
One day, Matthias was walking to a village. He was wearing simple clothes as usual when he visited his people. On his way, he saw many poor and sad people. Some of them were poor but happy, and they were celebrating Christmas.
By the time the celebration was over, evening fell on the king. He stopped by a porch and asked the blacksmith to give him a bed for the night. The blacksmith welcomed the tired king and said friendly,
"Please come in and sit down. Want to eat the fat can stay hungry. Taste our simple soup of lentil."
"Thank you. It's very kind of you. I'm really tired and hungry."
The blacksmith turned to his wife and told her,
"There is a guest at the table. Go wife to the inn, get a jug of red wine. Tell him that I will pay the price."
"Sorry," the innkeeper said, "there are no more jugs on tea."
"Then take this coat. It is worth a jug of wine."
"You have no more cuts, put it back, my husband."
"No, I promise. Wine to my guest, and I want to keep my word."
The wife took the last coat and soon returned with the jug of red wine.
They were drinking and singing until the wine lasted. Then they danced the chardas with the wife. In the morning, the traveler said goodbye to the blacksmith in this way.
"If you ever get to Buddha, come to the palace. I have a job there. Ask for Matthias, the blacksmith. The guards know him very well."
Lavender blue, dilly dilly, lavender green. When I am king, dilly dilly, you shall be queen.
Many years passed, and the blacksmith had some business in Buda. At the gate, he asked the guard,
"Is Matthias the blacksmith still here, please?"
The answer was yes. Then a huge door opened. Among great gentlemen, King Matthias was having lunch. The king asked,
"What goods did you bring, sir?"
"My wife sent some butter for you."
The blacksmith was so shocked that the jar fell out of his hand and broke into pieces on the floor.
"Thank you. Have a seat, sir, where the hungry eat. The hungry and thirst can't stay hungry. Taste these goods and drink some glasses of red wine.
Lavender blue, dilly, lavender green. When I am king, dilly, you shall be queen.
After the first King Matthias asked the blacksmith to stand up and told him,
I give back the food and the drink, sir. Let me give back your coat. Now let's drink to my friend's health. Let's celebrate and dance together.
It was like this that the poor blacksmith became a rich man for the rest of his life, but it wasn't the last trick of Matthias the Right.
Lavender